In this video we're going to calculate the area of a rhombus. So the first thing I must do for my steps is to split the rhombus into two triangles along a diagonal. So I'm going to choose the diagonal that goes up and down. So what we have now is two triangles, which we've got A1 and A2. If I work out the area of those two triangles, I can add them together to work out the overall area. So A1, area of a triangle, is half times base times height. So put the numbers in. So a half times, now the base is from here to here. Well, we're given that that's 8 meters, so that's 8. Times by the height. Well, the height of the triangle A1 is just from here to here, which is half to 10. So it's going to be times by 5. Put that into my calculator and I will get that it's 20 meters squared. Let's do the same for the second triangle. A half times base times height. Put in my values. A half times, well, the base is still 8 meters, still the same base. The height is from here to here, so that's half of 10 as well, so that's going to be 5. So A2 is also 20 meters squared. So my total, I just need to add them up. So 20 plus 20 is 40 meters squared, and that's the area of my rhombus.